And I will answer the question of what will happen in 2030 in the planet. Well, in that year, our planet will be bad because we don't take care as it has to be. But we can change that doing some specific action. For example, many people will walk to go up a specific place, or the child will receive an education. Um, the doctors will tell to the surgery why smoke in front of the people is bad, something like that. Like, we have to act first, and the world will be fine, and we are going to be fine.
What would happen if the tree continued to be cut down? 70% of the planet animals and plants live in the forest environment. Many cannot survive deforestation of the destroy in the environment. At the local level, it has more consequences. The increments in the pest, the decrease in the pollination of crops, the erosion on the soils, and the yak water.
What will happen if no more trees are planted? The concentration of carbon dioxide, sulfur, and nitrogen will cause the death of many living beings.
What is animal life? The width of life of animals was several components, including activity, social organization, living space, food and defense. Some animals are diurnal, that is, they walk looking for food during the day. Other animals are diurnal, that is, they walk at the night.
Water shortage in the world. Causes and consequences. Why saving water is important. Help preserve our environment. Reducing our use of water reduce the use of energy requires processed air. Saving water helps reduce pollution and conserve food resources. What are the causes of water shortage? Pollution, we refer to both fresh water pollution and land of air pollution, as the pollution can leach in the water and can also affect the air. The drought, due to the phenomenon of climate change, the appearance of development of drought is prominent, which means that for a long time there is no rain, which causes a shortage for water both for human consumption and for crops or industry. Uncontrolled use of water both on large scale, in factories and on small scale. In our homes, we sometimes waste of water and do not remember that is a scarce resource. What are the consequences of water scarcity in the world? Hunger. Water scarcity can affect agriculture, livestock and industry, and therefore lead to food shortage and hunger. Disappearance of plant species. Plants need a large amount of water to develop, and when water is scarce, they dry up and disappear. Conflicts. The scarcity of resources is at the origin of many conflicts in the world and enveloped the displacement of people to other countries to find safe place to live. Disease. The scarcity of water and the lack of adequate purification systems make it necessary to resort to contaminate water sources that can cause disease.
It will happen that we will run out of natural resources, that there is a risk that our houses and habitats will be destroyed. People call them from toxic gases. The effects of not recycling would be detrimental to our environment and our health.